How to fix CapCut File Not Supported. Let us know the reasons why. The first reason may be that the file is too long. That is, the video that you're trying to edit is too long that CapCut does not support it. But not only that, the main reason behind this error message is that the file that you're using is not supported by CapCut. That is, CapCut does not support MKV videos and sometimes crash on rare codec videos. You can use professional video converter to transcode videos into MP4 H.264. So this is the reason why the file, video or audio has not been imported to CapCut. Moving forward, next thing is what type of format of media file do CapCut support? For audio format, CapCut supports MP3, WAV and WAM, while for video, it allows MP3, WMV, MOV and so on. It also supports image in format of JPEG, GIF, TIFF and BMP. So by converting the files into these specific extensions, you can fix CapCut File Not Supported. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.